Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a low taper. For this cut, we're going to start off with a 2 guard and clean up all of the sides of the head. For this part, I'm going to start with my 1 guard to start creating my first guideline for my taper. Then I'm going to grab my 2 guard and go back in and clean up the area a little bit more. And then I'm going to ask my client to lean his head forward a little bit just so I could get in there with my half guard and clean up the fade. And then I'm going to come in with my trimmers and I'm going to create a nice crispy line on the side of my taper. Then I'll proceed to go to the sideburns and create the fade for the taper on the sideburns, starting off with 1.5. Then I'm going to come in with my clippers open, then work my way down to them being closed. Then with my trimmers, I'm going to clean up a little bit of the stubbles that were left behind and make sure that my C-cup is nice and clean and crispy, as well as the lineup behind the ear. Then I'm going to bring in some clipper over comb action just to make sure that my side is blended into the top. For my shear work, I always like to start off with creating the mohawk section in the center and then work my way towards both sides of the top of the head, following my guide. For this style, I'm going to use Slick Gorilla's sea salt spray to start off, and then I'm going to put in some Statement dry clay, and then after that I'll be using the diffuser on my blow dryer to bring out my client's curls. To top it off, I'm going to use some Slick Gorilla texture powder to create the finishing look. And here you have it, a low taper fade with a textured top.